Hi, my name is Brian with Havasu Turf Pros, and today I want to talk about our new product, Cool Flow. Cool Flow is a new backing that's permeable, non-perforated white backing engineered to be cool, fast drying, and suitable for countless applications. Most importantly for your pets, where you need to constantly wash your turf out to get rid of that pet urine smell. So I'm going to show you the difference in the draining properties from our Cool Flow compared to your conventional synthetic grass, which is just a black backing with holes every 6 inches. I'm going to have Jason demonstrate how well the conventional turf drains compared to our Cool Flow. So really there's 1 hole per square foot, and the drainage is not that good. We'll bring in our new Cool Flow, and the drainage, as you can see, is a lot better. So this is perfect for when you have to wash out your turf, get rid of that nasty pet urine smell. And you could also come to Havasu Turf Pros and get your pet fresh, along with your Cool Flow pet turf, and you'll be on your way. So come see a sample for yourself or go visit HavasuTurfPros.com for more information. Thank you.